right, the one up the middle after Navi's sacrifice bunt, and then of course that eventually turns into a home run because your confidence is back up. So I thought Wade set the tone again with his pitching. He did a wonderful job. He threw the ball great, and then the overall offensive approach was big for us tonight.
You guys obviously remember who Mark Buehrle was.
Sure. No, listen, he's very, very good, and he's tenacious, and he's a great competitor, and he's one of the best lefties in the league. Like I said, I just think our approach overall was better tonight. That's what permitted us to get that win.
Better than last night, or better than last time against Buehrle, or both?
Definitely better than last night. Better than in the last time we faced Buehrle. Again, I mean, if you go up there just trying to pull him, he's going to eat you alive.
Right.
And but overall, I thought we had a better approach to Buehrle today. And in general, when you're facing tough lefties, you just can't go up there with the same game plan in regard to just turning on balls or trying to power the ball. I mean, you got to work inside it. You got to stay in the middle of the field, especially when they have good changeups, which they do. And so it was a better night at the plate.
One night's not, the end-all be-all for Rodriguez, but
right.
We were talking to him the other day after talking to you, and he seemed to be, feel like, yeah, I'm down right now, but I'll be coming back. Is that kind of the sense you got from him?
Yeah, I mean, this guy's got a nice track record of success. Most of it's been in AAA, but if you watch him and you saw him in spring training, his ability is going to translate in the big leagues. And I'll say it again, it's all about confidence. Once he gains his confidence here, he is going to play a lot like what you saw in spring training this year. I have a lot of faith in him, a lot of faith in his abilities, his skill, his work ethic. All those things are high end. He just needs some success here, and then he really gets that feeling of belonging and then heads up, because I felt good with him in center field tonight. I feel good with him at second base. You could throw him over at shortstop. Again, a lot like Zarilla in the making. He's going to be very good.
Joe, last night you had a couple of fielding miscues. Obviously, you posted a shutout defensively. Are you happy with the way you come back?
Yeah, I mean, we're a good defensive ball club. We're a very good defensive ball club. And last night was the anomaly night. We just shouldn't make those mistakes. Those are more controllable errors that we made last night. A cutoff and a relay. It's like sometimes you're going to make a physical mistake. I consider that more of a mental mistake when we don't execute that play. And if we could just eradicate our mental mistakes, we'll be good. The physical mistakes, I have no problem with those.
Joe, what did Davis show you? I mean, he's matched up with Buehrle, walks 3 of the first 6 guys, cold night.
Again, with Wade, I have a lot of confidence in his really his tenacity. I mean, this guy wants to be a very good major league pitcher. He already is, but he's not going to be satisfied with just being average. He definitely wants to be an above average major league pitcher. Very capable of that. I am certain he was not impressed with who was pitching against him. I'm certain of that. I thought he had really good stuff when he was walking those guys early on. I had a lot of confidence that he's going to settle in. And when he pitched more with his 4-seam fastball, and then you saw the couple good sliders and curveballs at the right time. He just has really good stuff. As he becomes a better strike thrower with his fastball, the other stuff really sets up well off of it. He's going to take off.